Back in 2004, Macka Diamond finally got her big break with Done Already on Christopher Burch's Thriller Rhythm. Let's get the backstory behind that song in our Fiwi culture segment.
Hey, this is your girl Macka Diamond, and reggae and dancehall are Fiwi culture.
Baby, you really stop already? You need to tell me say you really stop already?
Well, Done Already came about in the 2000s when I had a show. I went to a show, the Dancehall Queen, one of the Dancehall Queen shows in Montego Bay. I went on that show, and the rain came down. It was a very hard rain falling, and we had to run to the car. So when we went to the car, all of us went to the car, and we decided that, okay, since we're in the car locked down, we're gonna just build songs, you know. And because I used to love to just vibe with my friends and build songs. So we were in the car, and I started to singing, "Baby, you really done already?" I don't know where the idea come from. I just started singing, and I said, "Yeah, you know, the Irish machine are back done already." And I was there with a couple of friends, and one of the guys said to me, "Say, no ma, say the steam fishing are your back done already." That bit, and you know, we have built a vibes, and that's what really came about in the car that night when the rain of fall. That's when definitely that song came about.
Oh, you jump on, so. No little romance, just so. No little.
Done Already was produced by Christopher Burch. Big up Mr. Christopher Burch. And it was recorded at the Big Yard Studio. You know, that song took me like about 2 days to do, because I mean, when I walk at the studio and Mr. Burch said to me, "I'm gonna record you finally," and I was so excited. I'm like, "You know, record me, big producer like that," you know. And he put me in my room and said to me, "Say, this is the room that Shaggy writes all his hit song." And I was like, oh my god, Shaggy room? Oh God, I have to make a hit. And he put me in the room, and I started having headaches because I'm so nervous, and he played the rhythm. Then I remember that I have this song that we started to write in the car, which is what I had only the punchline. And you know, I started writing and put the words on together, and when I finished, he said to me, "But you're not recording today, you know. Go home and practice it and come back on Monday." I was like, oh God, I'm gonna be nervous another day. But then I left and came back on the Monday, and he recorded it, and "Baby, you really done already?"
And when your mother go feed you online, you're not ready for this yet, you better resign. Like,
trust me, a bag of vibes going into the studio. I mean, I didn't nervous still, but what I loved about Christopher Burch was that he talked to me. He's one of them producers that records you and talk to you. So when he was saying to me, "Do this, do that," I understood what he was saying, because he understand how to record. And that's what I loved about the recording session, and it was just fun in the end.
you tell me say you're ready, you're not ready. Baby, you really stop already? You need to tell me say you really stop already?
Done Already went straight to #1, and the opportunities that I got, trust me, this song went straight to #1, and the first week it went #1. I mean, I was booked out for the year, and like after a couple months, we got phone calls. Greensleeve Records want to sign me. That was one of the biggest opportunities I've got. Greensleeve Records signed me, and then I started to get a lot of endorsements. My career just went right off the rocket, and I started now get my rum creamy, my you know, everything just came to all the corporate people, and I said, "Okay, Macka, accept it now. You are a star now."
And that's how we close the curtains on this week's episode of Pree Dis Show. But please hold the tears, because we'll be back next week. Until then, I'm your host Nalda Addy. Stay safe.